How can we protect ourselves from all the stresses when we are bombarded from every angle in our lives? Personally, professionally, physically, mentally, and spiritually. There's no easy, quick fixes. However, today in this video, I will explain and show you what I do when I get stressed out to regain total balance, homeostasis, and rejuvenation in my body. Stress is how anxiety shows up in your body, such as increased heart rate. You really feel it in your chest. Shallow, quick breathing, muscle tension, stomach problems, headaches, acne. A lot of people say, why am I getting acne at my age? And most of all, premature aging. Stress simply is anything that takes your body away from rest, peace, and homeostasis. Little stress will motivate us, excite us. However, lots of stress complicates everything, increases inflammation, and causes major deterioration. So very quickly, if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Maria and welcome to Aglaia Aesthetics Online. I am an aesthetics instructor, a master esthetician for many years. I have an online aesthetics training for individuals that want to become certified estheticians. Stay with me until the end. I have a lot of information to share with you. Give me comments below. Love to connect with you. So let's get started. A body at rest brings you back to homeostasis and healing. So what do we do when we get anxiety or stress attack? A very quick summary to a road to resilience and homeostasis. Number one, restore movement and exercise. So if you're the type of person that you're in front of the computer all the time, put a stop, go out for a few minutes, go and breathe some fresh air, exercise, do a little bit of wall Pilates. That's what I do for my arms and my legs, and then go back to do your work, just 5 minutes. Number two, chemical stress pathways by taking antioxidants, proper diet, and the NRF2 synergizer to remove all your free radical damage in your body that causes oxidative stress and aging. Number three, homeostasis through mindfulness and hope. Mental practice that involves being fully present in the moment and be aware of your thoughts, emotions, and sensations. Do not worry about what's going to happen tomorrow. Do not get stressed out or feel guilty of what you did yesterday. Be here in the moment. To become more aware of mindfulness and also incorporate it into your daily life, consider some of these simple steps. You don't have to do them all, just some. Number one, start with meditation, which is a common way to develop mindfulness. Begin with 5 to 10 minutes and gradually extend that duration as you become more comfortable. Number two, practice mindfulness in your daily activities by paying attention to the present moment during routinely tasks like eating. Enjoy what you're eating. Walking. Look at the beautiful trees and flowers, the sky, while washing the dishes, Focus on the sensation of the water and the soap, thoughts and emotions that arise without judgment. Number three, spend time observing nature, people, art with full attention. Try to notice details you might typically overlook. Learn to see the beauty in things, even a simple flower. Number four, mindful journaling. Write down your thoughts, emotions, and experiences regularly. This can help you become more aware of your inner world. Journaling can also help you to gain clarity, improve your goals, and insight for your future. Number 5, engage in self-care. Taking care of your physical body, you have only one. You do this through balanced diet, physical exercising, which I just mentioned, and a healthy body can create a strong and healthy foundation for mindfulness and growth. Even intermittent fasting will help you to detoxify and repair each and every cell in your body. Connect with nature. Spending time in nature can help you feel more connected on who you are, a connection to God, and the natural world, which is a spiritual experience for many of us. Practice gratitude, acknowledging and appreciating the blessings in your life, what you have, not what you don't have. Number 8, engage in different spiritual practices such as meditation, prayer, devotionals, and self-love books. Experimenting with these practices can really help you find what truly resonates with you. Number 9, mindful body scan. Practice a body scan where you mentally scan your body from head to toe, paying attention to any and every area of tension or discomfort. So for example, let's say you have major tension, which most of us do, around the neck and shoulders, and it feels like burning. What I want you to do is to exaggerate that tension. Breathe in while you're doing that. Contract the muscle harder for 5 to 6 seconds, and then release your breathing and all the tension. So let me give you an example. I have always tension in this area. So let me show you how I do it. When you relax the muscles afterwards, you will feel a sense of tingling because the blood is rushing back to the muscle, which will help to regenerate, repair, and feeling totally relaxed. The next one, number 10, and my last one, is deep breathing. Take time to engage in deep conscious breathing exercises. Breathing in consciously the Spirit of God. It can be a quick and effective way to anchor yourself in the present moment. So let me demonstrate what I do. I breathe in a little bit more for about 4 seconds. I hold for 4 seconds, and then I release slowly for 8 seconds. Let me show you. Do this 2 or 3 times. What we are doing, we are activating the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the relaxation response. Be patient. Mindfulness is a skill that takes time to develop. Be kind to yourself and avoid self-criticism. Regular practice it's important to build mindfulness. It can lead to reduced stress and anxiety and a greater sense of well-being over time. Let me know if you have any questions. I have a lot of videos and links in the description box for you to view. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider it. Give me a like, click the notification bell so you will not miss any of my educational tutorials, and check this tutorial coming up. I hope that you found this video to be informative and helpful, and walk away with simple and easy tips on how to reduce stress in your life. Remember to treat yourself always with respect and love. Until the next time, take care and may God bless you.